Hello, my friends. This is WE.LOCK Smart Lock from Myhand Industrial Co Limited. This is an opening box for the model of PC+B Smart Lock. When you receive the parcel, you can see the blue packaging box like this. This is the QR code of WE.LOCK app. By install this app, you can use your mobile phone to control the smart door lock, to unlock, to authorize the permission to your friends beside your front door, etc. This side, and this is the number, the recognition number of this lock. Now, let's take a look at what are inside the packaging box. One parts box. Yeah, there is another polyform inside, and another half polyform here. The main body of the smart door lock cylinder. Double-engine system. This is outside engine. This is inside engine to control this knob. Outside with password and RFID card unlock function. Inside handle with Bluetooth unlock on app. What are inside the parts box? Oh, 3 RFID cards. One hexagon screwdriver. One tweezer. And another one is user manual. Yes, that is all. And please pay attention. There is another QR code for the model. You will use this QR code to be scanned on app to bind your smart door lock to your app, to your phone. So do not throw this QR code away. So, enjoy your keyless smart home access. Thank you.